gotta do this stuff. But you know, because it's gonna get tough now. You know what? Just a warning. It's gonna be very, very
So he gonna probably take off about right here,
yeah,
get off the ground?
They're always full. They're always full. 400,000. It's like 380,000 pounds of fuel. $380,000. Watch. There you go.
That one had a wind day. What's the call?
No, man, this is. They all did. No, that's
Too loud. Too loud. I like to hear the Rolls Royce engine myself.
man, that
Too loud.
who agrees that's the clean of the skies? I
Too
just
loud.
think
Them 1880 engines, you barely hear them, man. Too loud, man. Boeing's too loud, man.